What's up guys, what's up YouTube, welcome back to our YouTube channel Mom's Kitchen with the boys, and as always, you know we have our lovely mom over here.
Yo, good to see you again.
Okay guys, today we're going to do plantain chip snacks. You know, it's holiday period, so we're going to do this, you know. So anyway guys, let's get to the video.
So friends, as you can see, Jeff, this is our plantain.
Yeah, plantain.
So we are going to pick. Okay friends, so as you can see, I have my plantain cutter. This is my turmeric. I'll be adding it into the water, using it as coloring. Now add salt to the water. Okay, before you now dip your plantain. Okay, take it out from the water before I start frying it. So friends, as you can see, this is how it looks. Crazy because there's water. Okay, I believe you. It's giving me the color already. My God, it's okay. It's getting dry. Turn it. This is ripe plantain, as you can see. So I'll be showing you two types of chips. Oh babe, it will not dry fast for you. Once. Jeff, please, you can take those ones out. They are ready. It's ripe one. We like to sprinkle little pepper. Leave it for a while. They put it. Just like, okay, so you just be repeating it, picking one after another till you are done. And as you can see, it's good. It's okay now. It's popping oil. Okay, so as you can see, the color is double, two color. The other one is ripe, while the other one is not well ripe. So that's why it's of course.
Alright guys, here you have it, the chips and the plantain chips.
Yes.
They're like, guys, this, look at it's crusty. You have to make sure it breaks like this. If not, you've not acquired your this thing.
If you're even chewing it, just like you'll be hearing it.
I am. If you cannot hear it, do it again. Oh yeah.
It's nice, guys.
So yeah, this is it. And now for the ripe. This was not ripe plantain. This one here is not ripe, so that's why it's hard. But this one is ripe plantain. See, this one you will not hear the crunchy system because it's ripe.
You really need to try this.
So you see,
every mother should be able to do this. Try. Especially this holiday season.
I'll tell you the difference.
Children will be buying. Just do this. It's good.
You see the difference? It's crunchy. Yeah.
I told you I'll be chilling with my. Okay.
This.
Thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys are the best. In fact, some were sending me message that I should try and upload video. So guys, you guys are the best. I love you. Thank you so much. I'm about to reach 100 subscribers, so please, once I hit 100, I'm going to drop a very fantastic video that you guys will forever like.
So if you're watching the channel, you must subscribe.
Please do that. Share the video, like and comment, please. What
Alright
guys to do next?
Alright guys, that's for the video. Thanks for watching. If you watch the video, a real one, thanks a lot. Just drop a like to certify it all. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to eat healthy, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Bye.